Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. Deputy Chief Minister Jowai Dhar praises Iborlang's strength and intelligence in JHADC election campaign. Two Umroi constituency candidates engage in common platform discussion. Nongstoin market hosts a public campaign with 6 MTC candidates. And Mawlai constituency candidates participate in common platform event. The news in detail. During the election campaign for the NPP, candidate Iborlang Shadab from the Barato-Mukru constituency, Deputy Chief Minister Jowai Dhar expressed his willingness to collaborate with Iborlang for the betterment of the constituency if he wins as MDC. Speaking at a meeting, Dhar commended Iborlang's character, describing him as a man of few words but possessing the intelligence and strength necessary to serve the residents of the area effectively. He emphasized that Iborlang's victory would benefit the entire region.
Tomai borong ayu mukisi apa edis council ju to burkten ba. Yu kau tu so to lu kelum tu bu priak sama lu ke do. Hamda yu to da bu chul en yo pe nyam kiu. Da kemo de na ham ko yo kinong mi kemat ku bundukten krem kam.
The Sinju Kisan Shnong, comprising Sopa Ir, Madan Rinting, Minri Umsning, Kweng and Liarsluit village hosted the common platform for the Umroi constituency, in which there are 5 candidates to contest for the seat. However, only 2 candidates, independent candidate George B. Lingdo and NPP candidate Rankin Sai Karbuki, attended the event at Liarsluit village. The event was moderated by Kirman Langyuria, editor of Ushilong Mail, aims to provide a platform for candidates to present their visions and policies to the public. The absence of 3 candidates left many attendees disappointed, as they were eager to hear from all contenders about the plans for the constituency.
Haga bukod kapag kampo do jam pembang yang ikon samla de jongi kering kamram de jonga ba jompi kung kipai ba pangin persia balada proposal to council lada the council comes up ni don kam jongi pai ba halor kini lengkap ba kirang ba song ba kipai ba no song song pro na termen skam bagi lagi long kumi gi jongi ru haga de sini ngin yang menjolang ban ai jai syai me bahkan ne ka step ko bawalang ne kalon ban ya tu ya pi bau MDC jompi ukwa balang perklan susu ya gajing ai jat ke jongi syai le.
6 candidates from different political parties in Nongstoin, including an independent candidate, took part in a public campaign at Nongstoin market. The event was organized by the new Nongstoin village. Thousands of people gathered to listen to the speeches of the candidates. The 6 political groups involved in the campaign included the BJP, VPP, HSPDP, NPP, Congress and an independent.
Maksudnya bang, diharapkan bangsa menjadi dikir dari tempat menjadi sodong, dari tempat hambang Muslim menjadi berbahasa, orang mana sudah ada bawa. Kita insya bersama ya tahu kerja kejongi, mana nanut banino ya dagang kejonga dokter, bangsa kriya dipata, bangsa kriya kuat, bangsa kriya banyalam.
Para ribaye nanong stol na pijje dia na kanle kamat kabangan nung tubong baga chispa abusan amenen jong masyuhan ban muslia dagi an Delhi.
Kapang pedeng dan jonga kene ke election galong baka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council kade ke Shlem Sandur jong ke jaj pengreu baka sti baskem ban yada yaka. Nda pipoy hagi ying gisem gi jungpi shem ya kene kapang sa perkhat sa mudur ya ke jinglong kerpang jong ke jaj pengreu ka jungi.
Adon mo panawang ni wak haga pagisyaru isga panawang latang dei ban bentuk por susu hapo jong the signal lade ban ben prekam no yaki nang bagi paipa no suslong haba don me ba shophe tan pensuk di paipa no suslong
yaki long kini ki batrang manyu ki khun har jingpule danle kawe ban pensai namar kamban tiet hawa wat kindiat ro kalama sahi kalama kapeni bangi dan ya kata jing shit ham ban pentelan sakmat yaki kam ki jam ban sakri upai ba haringkat kamanse ban shit ham nasowan panmati kilometer taksi baro ki badan kane kapor bangila puntut yapi ya kaya kayang snobhaya shalan kindiat ladangi yo ya ka jingjop kumusangla uperkat ya ka imang salang ngatip ya ka jingkia ka jompi masawan syafi bernya kendo pansngap pansyo pengila dan pendek banle ka kam ka badan kamtam bapin sting tabangan friend hamni ngatip kalan hamensin masawan syafi dala kayo sudah no paipa ngandal kam balagi dan kiskin ki badan le isri paipa ban ay na magita ginang yalam mereka angot bangakwa upai taun penting ya mano ki bulan kampam bekerjirap dan lecu berdepan nok jika hak jamu.
3 political parties, NPP, UDP and VPP, along with an independent candidate, participated in a public meeting organized by the Dorbar Timpang Yomusyang. The event, held at the Common Platform, served as a platform for election campaigning for the Jowai North constituency. Dr. D. Aikjam, NPP, Marki Mule, UDP, A. Andrew Shalai, VPP, and independent candidate Krubog El Pariat addressed the public during the allotted time. Throughout the addresses, the candidates outlined their commitments, action plans and political agendas seeking support from the residents.
Tang siasi do naik kalau di program kita hanya dalam timur, yo review, uji ya, kenapa enggak? Uji, emergency, harus siasat polisi, no, ile, itu betul itu.
Kah Profesor Mark Nongkrem tak hangat tak betul. Henry orang petikan di Nongstoin, yang katanya terbawa. Wayo ini yang langsung dimampai oleh kerajaan yang katakan. Ini bertahu pergi dia kata Jowai kan. Aku tu kapor orang mereka 17 Jowai MDC constituency. Kerja kerajaan yang ini kami di Nongstoin. Maka orang wasit yang lain katakan. Dia bersama yang katakan hak kapor. Dan kerja kerajaan kami.
Pernah cai di manifesto yang parti yang ada. Perangai ini kami memulai, ngomong ini udah ide, pura ada pun juga sepi, ukur pada itu. Tapi mendingan, iman ru ya judul yang ada untuk biang tiri, iman ru judul nama umur. Henry keman sim, yang kecing cekri, kuah cekri, yang ra open bahab yang di district council yang ini.
Kini tak bertahu tentang yang ini kan council sendiri. Naibenta yang ini, kau ini berhati. Resausi ni suyawan biaya ni ada dia. Katutnya nanti yang ini sesuatu cerlok pada kerja belai. Ngau kalau itu ada sesuatu. Jadi dia kalau dia biaya berapa saja.
The 5 MDC candidates from Mawlai constituency took the stage today at a common platform organized by the Dorbar Shnong Mawlai Nongkrem to present their visions and clarify the stands if elected as MDC. Congress candidate Wanseng Jirwa outlined his party's policies and the initiatives he plans to implement for the people of Mawlai. Independent candidate Process T. Saukumi reflected on the desire for change expressed by the people of Mawlai in 2023. Another independent candidate, Seiborlang El Nonglait, underscored the importance of the 6th schedule in preserving Khasi culture and indigenous identity. Independent candidate Seiborlang Pathau highlighted the district council's role as a safeguard for the Khasi people's unique identity. BJP candidate Daniela L. Nonglait elaborated on the BJP's policy and the developmental initiatives spearheaded by the central government.
But kentil ya keskin kasi itenrai iriti bat idustul lemba kerensan bapel kenal bat penpauna ya keskin ruspa jongi hagiriti idustul bat bahkan lalu kalan ajam ya kipriu jongi.
Oh, wapi sobi usam shiki usam blanket usam shamot usam tomokli usam blanket. Or part of the way, but they will give him some them. Will give I them, will I forget them, will I never let you, if I get to shut them, will I never let you, if I invite to know them.
Nampak hasil dari situ, lada kecilnya datang sistem, datang sistem berahut. Namun hang ni, bang apa suki orang ini, ngapa berjeda kali. Ngan berecai kita berjumlah parti, ngan berecai kita bersuki, ngan buat suai kali mat.
Pada ni tak boleh bidan kamar susu. Kedis council, kadai, kum kasti, kam aikam mana, ya kejak kembali ke jongi, nak bantau bagi nyeda, ya kan itu jumlah kerpang tu kejak kembali ke jongi.
Dai kan kai, nila bo ya kata bagi nongbo nong kau jongi, belakang raja balai ni ajar cikmit pang, syakak kemie, namar kak kemie, kadai keling sport ke yen, kadai kak kemie bapa jadi kuang itu nado kita berat adok kita kaya. Ngakong kalong kemie hangi, ngayeng bagan patai lagi, kata nginum aila lalu kalong, ngin yai ne kalong, kejat nginai kejat jong kalong kemie, kumanga kadai kejat nong lat, ngan yai ai nong lat, kuang jong asik iksir jong arok kindang dei nong lat ki.
Meghalaya is on the brink of a major tourism transformation with an investment of over Rs 4,000 crore aimed at reshaping the sector over the next 2 years. The initiative will focus on strengthening infrastructure, expanding key tourism circuits and incorporating newly discovered destinations into the state's tourism map. The government plans to integrate multiple tourist centers into linked circuits, moving beyond single village tourism models to create a more immersive and extensive travel experience. The annual tourism map, which is updated every year, will now feature additional locations, ensuring a broader range of attractions for visitors.
As you can see, the ropeway project has taken off. Major circuits are also being linked with, in the sense that instead of just one village, we have 5 tourist centers being linked, and visitors will be encouraged to visit each of those circuits.
The Congress party held a public rally on 17th February 2025 in Mawlai village to campaign for its MDC election candidate from Nongkrem constituency, Jonathan CM. The event saw the presence of Neil Antonio War, the working president of the Congress party, along with party officials and supporters. In his address, Jonathan CM emphasized the need for unity among parents, youth, and the broader community to ensure a prosperous future. Napishisha Marwain, UDP candidate for the Umroi constituency, visited the village of Solia Yapngar as part of a campaign for the upcoming elections. The event saw the active participation of village elders, parents and youth, all of whom expressed their strong support for her candidacy. During her campaign, Napishisha Marwain urged the villagers to come out and cast their vote on election day, encouraging them to cast their votes. She also reiterated her commitment to preserving the traditions and customs of the community should she win the election. With just few days to go for the MDC election and the electorates to cast their votes for the MDCs to the KHADC, the competition of candidates from different parties and political parties in different constituencies is always a big fight where candidates would seek and ask for the support of the people. Yesterday, Lambor Malnyang, incumbent MDC of Nongkrem constituency, who is still proposing to the people to re-elect him as an independent candidate, held a public meeting in Nongkrem. Speaking at the meeting, he said that those who cannot work for the development of the community, whether in community, church or any other groups, accuse the independent MDC of making political gains, and it is unacceptable.
Banwan biang gandon biang bejingkermen, kin biang kimen sim kibatelat, dagaba mga ringkat patpay, minyat telun yiki kambabha, hapo kisnong kitaw, ngan wanra, ngan penim, nagbenta kanong krem konsusi baro kaway.
The weather report. In Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 16 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 28 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 79%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 7.5 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 20.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 76%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 11 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 19 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 63%. And the forecast in Tura and Jowai say that dry weather is likely to occur at most places, whereas in Shillong, light to moderate rain and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. With that, we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.